Alright, now we're going to walk through getting the appropriate programs to acquire your Linux distribution, meaning download it in the proper format, and then to burn it to a bootable disk, and also to get the program you need to resize Windows without having to actually reinstall it. So we're going to be downloading 3 programs. As you can see, I already did this once on this dumbass virtual machine. Windows was, I hate Windows. I mean, virtualized or not, it sucks. Internet Explorer couldn't display some of the web pages. I actually had to stop and download Firefox and install it, etc., etc. So I'm starting back over. Anyway, ImgBurn's program that I actually tested out and verified that it actually works. With Windows software, there's always a lot of free software for Windows that can do different stuff. However, a lot of times they don't do what they claim, or they're misleading, or what have you. And they're just a pain in the ass. They don't work right. For example, like, I used to pirate Nero back in the day because I thought, well, bigger's better, you know, Nero's the biggest, and it's got everything. It's junk. For example, when you try to burn a disk image, a bootable disk image, there's a bunch of different options for data burning. And even if you're pretty familiar with the process, like I am, those options are with Nero were still misleading. Oh, I'd still wind up wasting CDs. Yeah, I'm not sure what the hell this is. Only on Windows. See if I even have a network connection. I probably should have checked that first before I even started this video. Yeah, I don't have a network connection. If you're virtualizing Windows, you're going to be beating your head into a damn wall to get anything to work. So if this takes too long, I'm going to stop the video and start it back up again and pretend that I just started it, but it shouldn't take but a second. Actually, that's a lie. It'll probably take a minute. Come on, faggot. Open the link. I clicked on the link. You have to open it. That's the rules. For some reason, some of the services required to run the network won't start, even if you pass it a network device. Open the link. I'm clicking on the link. You're supposed to open it. That's your job. I did my job. You do your job. That's why you keep getting fired and everybody switches to Linux. Anyway, what you got to do is manually go in and start the network connection service, the DHCP service, and there was one other I enabled to get it to work. Off the top of my head, I couldn't recall. DHCP. I didn't have to double click on that. I could have just clicked start. Alright, what was the other one? Oh, that I'm going to need the IMAP service to burn shit. Network connections. Start it. And network, what was the other one I've come across? Network location awareness. Start that. TCP IP net BIOS helper. Yeah, Linux or Windows needs all the help it can get. Alright. I should be close to repairing it. Let's go back to the original control panel window. See if we can't load Google now. There it goes. We got it. We can close this shit out now. I don't want to view help topics. No, that'll take you an hour to open and it'll take me an hour to close you. Close. Alright, so check it out. The window closed and the end program window is still up. Alright, first thing you need to get is ImgBurn. Like I said, I actually downloaded and installed ImgBurn on Windows and burnt an image and verified that it did do the job. Simple and easy. So go to ImgBurn.com, ImgBurn.com, click download. It's going to give you a list of mirror websites. They're actually third-party software websites with a bunch of advertisements and all that other crap to try to trick you into clicking on links. But they will let you eventually download the actual ImgBurn software. A lot of these Windows, if you notice, or you probably haven't, if you're watching this video, then you probably never noticed anything about Linux before. Linux with their projects, all these private independent software projects have a spot somewhere on the internet where you can download their stuff, and sometimes they'll distribute the load of the download bandwidth amongst different mirrors. Different affiliate companies will share server bandwidth, and those are called mirror websites. Well, with Windows, the mirrors